If you're getting married at Ridgeway and you're not sure how the registrar booking works, this video is for you. It's actually a lot more straightforward than most couples expect, but there are a few things you need to know and a couple of deadlines you really don't want to miss. So grab a cuppa and let's walk through it together. What is a civil ceremony? Ridgeway Golf Club is a fully licensed venue for civil marriages and civil partnerships. That means you can have your entire ceremony right here. No church, no register office, no separate location. Two registrars from Caerphilly Registration Service will come to you, conduct your ceremony and handle all the legal paperwork on the day. Civil ceremonies are completely personal. You can have readings, music, hand fastings. The only rule is nothing religious, so no hymns, no Bible readings. But beyond that, it's really your day, your way. Step 1, book the venue. The first thing to do before anything else is to confirm your date with us here at Ridgeway. Your venue date and your registrar date need to match, so get that locked in with us first. So to book Caerphilly registrars, you can call them on 01443 863 478 or email them on the email address below. They're open Monday to Thursday 9 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. and on Fridays until 4 p.m. When you call, you'll pay a £25 save the date fee. That's non-refundable, but it secures your slot with the registrars. You can pay over the phone by card. After that, you'll get a provisional booking letter by email, which sets out everything you need to do next. Remember to ask for the time that you require. So our platinum packages, we would recommend 2 o'clock, and for our twilight packages, we would recommend either 3 or 4 ideally. Step 3, give notice. This is the bit most couples don't know about, and it catches a lot of couples off guard. It's very important. So before you can get legally married, you both need to do something called giving notice of marriage. This isn't the same as booking the registrars. It's a separate legal step. You give notice at the register office in the district where you live. So if you and your partner live in different areas, you'll each go to your own local register office. You'll need documents to prove your name, your nationality, your date of birth, and that you are free to marry. So make sure everything is up to date. Things like passports, birth certificates, and if applicable, any divorce paperwork. Your notice can be given up to a year in advance, but it can't be given less than 28 days before your wedding. Caerphilly ask for you to give notice around 6 months before your ceremony date. This is also what confirms your booking with them. If there's anything complicated about your situation, maybe immigration status, etc., previous marriages, just contact the registrars early enough and they're really helpful. Once your notice is given, Caerphilly will send you a ceremony pack. This is where the fun starts. You get to choose from different legal vows, decide on the structure of your ceremony. You could add personal touches, readings, music, whatever feels right for you both. On the day itself, 2 registrars will arrive at Ridgeway. They'll conduct your ceremony and complete your marriage schedule. That's the legal document that replaces what used to be the marriage register. Once it's signed, your marriage is registered electronically. Done. And if either of you or any of your guests use British Sign Language, Caerphilly have the registrars who can accommodate that. Welsh language and bilingual ceremonies are also available. Just let them know when you book. What are the fees? A quick word on fees so there's no surprises. The registrar fees for a weekday ceremony currently is £367.50 in total, and for weekends and bank holidays it's £532.50. On top of that, each person giving notice pays £46.50. That's a statutory fee set out by the General Registrar's Office, so it's the same wherever you live. And don't forget you've paid the £25 save the date fee when you first book. Remember, this is recorded in April 2026, so always check with the office what the current fees are. So there you have it. Book Ridgeway, book the registrars, give notice, receive your ceremony pack, and then enjoy planning your day. If you've got any questions about the venue side of things, drop us a message or give us a call. The details are on the website. And if this video has helped, please do give it a like and share with anyone else who's planning their big day. We'll see you at Bridgeway. Happy planning.
Watch this forest green wedding.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Every day on my mind and I just can't get you out. I just want you, all of you, all to myself. Yeah, never wanna let this go, boy, we got something real. Might be selfish, but I just don't care, I swear. I just want you right here, always by my side. You and me together, baby, it's paradise. We can go wherever, ever, leave them all behind. I'm giving you all my, keep giving you all my love. Keep giving you all my, keep giving you all my love. Keep giving you all my, hey, keep giving you all my love. Nothing's ever been so easy, I can't help but say. You got me in my feels, got me feeling some type of way. Hey, take away, take away, take away, yeah, you can take everything. As long as you are with me, it'll be okay. Hey, yeah. I just want you right here, always by my side. You and me together, baby, it's paradise. We can go wherever, ever, leave them all behind. I'm giving you all my, keep giving you all my love. Keep giving you all my, keep giving you all my love. Keep giving you all my, keep giving you all my love. I've been waiting, I've been waiting, I've been waiting for a love like this.